And cutting across to breaking news coming in, BJP National President JP Nadda has tweeted, and I quote, BJP Gujarat has got an overwhelming majority in the local body elections held in all the 6 metropolitan municipalities of Gujarat. I thank the voters of all the 6 metropolitan municipalities, Chief Minister Vijay Rupani, State President C.R. Patil and party workers for this unprecedented victory. Priyanka, my colleague with us on the phone line. Priyanka, the BJP is obviously elated. Celebrations are underway and JP Nadda there thanking all the voters.
Well, absolutely. This was already expected that the BJP is going to have a victory in all of these 6 municipalities because the margin was extremely large and there was no way that the opposition would have able to bridge that margin, in fact. But however, there are some nitty-gritties of this result that are very telling, which is that there are several seats that have been won by several of the regional parties, that is the Aam Aadmi Party, the AIMIM, the BTP, all these parties that were for the first time taking part in elections in Gujarat. They have managed to put their feet in the door. This is a foot in the door for them for Vidhan Sabha elections. So, of course, that needs to be considered. And apart from that, of course, the Congress needs to do some kind of introspection because the votes that have gone to these regional parties are the vote share of the Congress and not the BJP, which is why the BJP has managed to get a thumping majority in all of these 6 municipalities of Ahmedabad, Jamnagar, Rajkot, Bhavnagar, Surat, Vadodara. So this, of course, is a time for introspection for Congress and also something that the opposition parties, other parties that are trying to make their way in the Gujarat politics also need to understand as to how they're going to be laying the groundwork for the Vidhan Sabha election. And of course, the Panchayat elections are going to be just as telling. This is, remember, just the municipal elections of 6 major cities. There are going to be Panchayat elections as well that will take place, which in itself will also be telling, and it will be a litmus test for the current Chief Minister Vijay Rupani as to how he has been able to spearhead their entire cadre of BJP in the entire state of Gujarat, and how they have been tackling the wave of anti-incumbency which has naturally taken place because of the pandemic being in place.
Very true. On that note, Priyanka, thank you for speaking to us.